If you are looking for a stylish, functional, and solid storage upgrade, let me introduce you to the AUEYTVR Armoire Wardrobe Storage Adjustable. This wardrobe has been making waves thanks to its modern metal design and its practical features for organizing just about any space. The current price hovers around $159.99, which is fantastic value when you consider the amount of utility you get from this piece of furniture. Key features that stand out include two sturdy doors, a pair of spacious drawers, and a hanging rod for all your favorite dresses, shirts, or coats. It also comes with two adjustable shelves that you can configure to your liking, perfect for accommodating everything from shoes to folded linens. Built from high-quality cold-rolled steel plates, this cabinet is way more durable than most wooden wardrobes and is resistant to daily wear, rust, and denting. The Armoire includes 4 adjustable feet, ensuring stability even if your floors aren't perfectly even. Its design lets you use it in the bedroom, laundry, or even cloak rooms, so the flexibility is seriously impressive. From reading customer reviews, I found people love the easy assembly and the fact that it feels so sturdy and reliable, no matter how much you load it up. The mix of hanging, drawer, and shelf space means it's a fit for a variety of storage needs, and most users mention that it actually looks better in person. It's an elegant addition that blends into a range of home styles without sacrificing function. Overall, if you want a wardrobe cabinet that's practical, rugged, and affordable, the AUEYTVR Armoire Wardrobe Storage Adjustable deserves a closer look. As always, we share by links in the description box, so be sure to check there if you are ready to organize your space with this awesome, reliable storage solution.